Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Make a love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And today is our lesson is about multiplying decimals, and this is one of the objectives of the National Mathematics Program. And our objectives is to multiply and move the decimals. And this is your math with your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, so let's discuss the steps in multiplying decimals. So step 1, ignore the decimal. Step 2, rewrite the problem. Step 3, multiply the problem. And 4, underline underline the number to the right of the decimals in the original number. Okay. Step 5, move decimal that make places or that many places left in your answer. Okay, now let's discuss step 1 and 2. So, okay, so we have here, let's just ignore the decimals and rewrite the problem. So we have from the decimal, with the decimal 4.56 times 0.39. So if we are going to ignore the decimal, that will become 456 times 39. So then step 3, multiply problem without decimals. So we have 556 times 39. We have the uh, initial product of the 39 times 6. We have uh, 54. And then we have 10. So we have the first initial is 104. And then the second initial product is 13,000 or 1,368. So we had to add 0 here and then add the partial products, and let's go step number 4, underline the numbers to the right of the decimal in the problem. We have 456 or 4.56 times 0.39. So we have here, we have 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 places or 4 decimal places. Step 5, move decimal to many places left in the answer. So from the previous that we did 456 times 39, so we have here, so we have 4 places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. None. So we have 4 decimal places. All right. Now let's have this one. So let's find the product. Okay. So 4 times 9 is 36. So bring down 6. Okay. Then carry 3. We have 20 plus 3 is 23. So we bring down 23 here. Okay. Then we got 0. So yeah, 0, 0. All right. Okay. How many decimal places do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6, 3, 2, 0. You have to put 0. Then 0. Okay. But according to the rules, we can ignore first a decimal. So we have 59. Okay, 0.59. Then we have 0.4. This is 36, so 6, carry 3. So we have 23. Then 4 times 0 is 0. Okay. So if we are going to 0 times 9, that's everything is 0. So you need to add 3 zeros here. No. We have 6, 3, 2, 0. And okay, so since we have 4 decimals, you can put 0 here. Okay. So if you can do it directly, then that's much be good. Okay. Next, we have 0.53 times 268. So we can ignore the decimal. So we have 2,618 times 53. So the signal for the decimal. So we have 8 times 3 is 24. So bring down 4. Carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. 3 times 6 is 18. So bring down 8. Carry 1. Okay, this is 8. Carry 1. So we have 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Then 5 times 8 is 40. So bring down 0. Carry 4. Okay. Then 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, 9. Then 5 times 6 is 30. So bring down 0. Carry 3. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. We have 13. So we need to put 0 here. So just to no, para lang maano yung linya, no, wala kang bakanting 0. So we have 4, 5. Is initial product pa lang kasi yung nasa taas. So 9 plus 8 is 17. We have 1, 7, 8, 3, 1. Okay. And then how many decimals do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5. So from here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have here, so our product must be 1.3874. Okay, got it? Right. Now, let's have this one. This one is easier now. So we have 153. So 153 times 65. Okay, you can ignore first the decimal. So just count later. So we have 15. 5 times 3 is 15. So bring down 5, carry 1. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. So bring down 6, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7. Then we get 3 times 6 is 18. So bring down 8, carry 1. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So bring down 1, carry 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, 9. So we have 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. So bring down 4, carry 1. We need to add, no? So we have 7 plus 9, 9. Okay, so how many decimals do we have here? 1, 2. Okay, so from here, so we have 1, 2. Okay, so that means our answer or the product is 99.45. Okay, that's it. All right. Now let us discuss the proper multiplication properties, okay? So, for commutative property of multiplication, factors can be multiplied in any order. That is 12 times 5, this is an example, is equals to 5 times 12. So as you can see, the order of the operation, no, still the same whenever you, interchange the position, okay? So sa commutative, that's the rules or that's the property. Next, we have the associative property of multiplication. Factors can be grouped in any way, like 2 times 3 times 5. So we group 2 times 3 and times 5 at the back. Or you can separate 2 and then you group 3 times 5. So the product is the same. Alright, we have identity property of multiplication. So the product of any number and 1 is that number. So 18 times 1 is equals to 18. So that means any number, no, multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So that's the property or the identity property of multiplication. Okay, now, so for your practice, you can answer this. So on your paper, so you can pause the video and practice. And if you have doubt, you can go back to the video. So let's head, this is another, okay? So thank you everyone guys and I hope na makatulong ito sa inyo lalo na yung mga mag-aaral ngayon, no? So they have difficulty in the basic math na ano kahit na napansin namin even though they are already in grade 10. So now I'm teaching grade 8 and they are having difficulty in multiplying a basic math, decimals. So we really had to double our effort. Thank you and God bless everyone.